shit, I bet that toad's gone now.
It's right here.
Yeah, he's 30 feet away. How was it, Brent? Yeah, you need to adjust, not us.
What? All right, let's shoot it one more.
Or we can...
Something's on fire.
Something's on fire.
I mean, you guys scared the toad.
The poor toad. Here, I'm not lighting one. Oh, he's pissed. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I feel bad for the
little
toad.
bugger.
Oh, one got lit.
Oh.
Yeah, one got lit while he's holding the toad.
Whoa. Shit.
Toad. I got you, kid. I got you. I got you when you did
Ow!
that.
My ear is gone, and so is the toad. He's right behind you, though.
Where?
So step on him.
Oh,
I think he's right there.
yeah, I see him. He's over there hopping.
That was loud. Oh, my ears are ringing.
Really?
Dude, I was freaking right here.
I was right here too.
I was right here.
I was right there.
It's unexpected at that. I was holding a toad.
He said I lit one while you're holding the toad, and then it went off.
He was holding the toad.
Brittany, we had a toad over here that was on the box when we shot off a firework. He's part of the video now. I was holding him and David shot off that last firework while I was standing fucking like right here. I'm holding the toad and he gets it on camera and scares the fuck out of me. that would be a funny clip.
Alright.
I think the toad was on the board and I said take a picture of that toad, she'll appreciate it.
Alright, so are we
first
waiting to
guy
do the
here.
rest? We should probably get
You
kids
got
out.
your camera out in the right spot? Get him Shelby.
Yeah, but I have a feeling that
When I did the double, I think they were too close to each other.
Yeah, I think we need to have them like 10 feet apart.
Yeah, I was thinking
Yeah.
about putting
I did notice that.
one over here, and one over there. And do the second round. So I can do the first round in the front.
And then third round, we can do dual mortars while you're setting up the next one.
Well, I mean, I still have more. This was next. After the windup, we go into the Thunder Mountain because that sounds like it's cool. Grab that one, the Rain of Fire. It's gonna go there, the Rain of Fire is gonna go there on the board. Because that'll be done shooting off by then. And then we have this big beast.
That's the party favorite.
And shot behind this, once this is about 100 shots in, I want to light this one, which is just 26 shots, but their names kind of matched a little to me. So I was like, these look like they'd be good together.
So 1, 2. Brady, I want a property like that.
I know, me too.
I would be more than happy with a place like that. Like when you go looking to buy a house, like buy something like this, just in the middle of fucking cornfield, dude.
Yeah. Look at the view.
This is Aunt Brittany's niece. You can't see me right now, but my name's Kaylee. This is my boyfriend, Marcus.
We got the light
There
now.
we go. Hey.
Spotlight.
Hi.
Spotlight.
Alright, you turn on the
Yeah, I got you.
Kaylee, you're gonna light two.
Marcus, you're
Oh,
on
I am?
strict camera duty.
strict camera duty.
Strict
Well,
camera
do
flash
you want
light.
to light one, Marcus?
Say hi
No, I
to the
don't
vlog.
I can.
Hi.
What's up, vlog?
Let me
What's
light the first one, and I'll do camera.
Here, let's
No,
light
you
one
can't.
right now.
This is the first time he's ever held a cigarette. I'm backing up. Alright, there we go. There we go. Run, run, run.
It's not big.
Woo!
Oh, so count
Oh no, I can't stay on that side. Over here.
Woo!
Go get that thing. It's light as hell up.
Oh, they think it's over.
Down.
It's not it.
Now we got 3 more.
Oh wow. Whoa. guys, I would say that's a pretty good fireworks show.
I'd say that's a pretty good fireworks show, man.
I kind of see
Dude, this
fire
is
happening.
wild.
Yeah, we need to stomp on some.
Yeah, we got a little bit of fire happening here.
Somebody call the fire brigade. Don't say that.
They might actually think their house is on
Man, he's joking.
Oh my god. Hey y'all, this was fun. Come back for the vlog with Kaylee, you know. Is she still doing that 10-day vlog thing?
Wow, my foot's on fire.
Is Aunt Stacy or Aunt Brittany still doing
Yeah,
that?
that's it. We're clear.
I found a lighter. I don't know if that was safe.
Look, these are all over the yard right now. All over the yard, guys. Look at this.
You have no shoes.
Look at that.
Hey Brittany,
Yeah,
and no family members were harmed in the making of this video.
just one. No, okay.